Hello guys! Welcome to Baby Videos Learning. Today, we are going to learn farm animals in Arabic. If you haven't learned numbers or fruits in Arabic, you should have a go. And make sure to give us a like and subscribe for more Arabic education content. Now let's start the lesson. The first animal of the list is one that gives us milk, and we can make all sorts of products from it. In Arabic, we call it Bakara. Say it with me. Bakara. 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 In the next position, we have an animal that lay the eggs we often eat in breakfast. Do you know what animal I'm talking about? Yes, is a Dajaja. Say it with me. Dajaja. 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 Well done. Now we have a majestic Deick. This animal is in charge to keep hens safe and wakes up everyone at the farms. Time to say it together. Deick. 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 Khayali. Fantastic. It's the turn of the crazy Maza. They are very curious and like to nibble on almost anything they can find. Let's say it together. Maza. 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 That is so good. Now we have strong Hasan. They are fast runners and can be trained to do tricks. Say it with me. Hiṣān. 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 Wonderful! These pink animals are fun and playful, and they love to roll around in the mud. In Arabic, we say Kenzir. Say it with me. Kenzir. 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 So good! Did you know that Jamal are very important in many Arabic countries, especially in desert areas? They are called ships of the desert because they can travel long distances without needing water for many days. Jamal are used for transportation, helping people carry goods across the desert. Their milk is also very healthy, full of nutrients, and is often drunk in many Arabic countries. Is so cool, all things we can learn watching baby videos. Now look at this happy Hamar. These animals are very smart and can remember places and people for a long time. In Arabic we say Hamar. Say it with me. Hamar. 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 That is correct. Now we have got a Hubsh. They have big feathers and are known for their gobbling sound. In Arabic, we say Hubsh. Say it with me. Hubsh. 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 That is it. What you see here is a butt and the animals of our logo. They like to swim in water, and they have webbed feet to help them paddle. In Arabic, we say butt. Say it with me. Butt. 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 Congratulations. Now we have a Baggle. They are a mix of horses and donkeys, and they're known for being very strong and hardworking. In Arabic, we say Baggle. Say it with me. Baggle. 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 Wonderful! Animals are very protective of their families and will honk loudly to warn others. Do you know what animals I am talking about? It is a Waza. Well done! Now say it with me. Waza. 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 Splendid! Now we have Kalb. They are loyal friends, and they love to play and fetch things. Now repeat it with me. Kalb. 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 Marvelous! These precious animals are called Bessah. They love to sleep a lot and like to chase mice, keeping the farm clean. Now repeat it with me. Bessah. 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 Stunning! And now, in the last position of the list, we have an Arnab. These are the cutest animals. And besides, they don't make much sounds they compensate in with their cuteness. Let's learn together. Arnab. 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 Stunning! All right, guys, we have learned something new today. It's amazing how easy we can learn a language by just repeating and understanding how things around us are called. I hope you have a beautiful day, and we'll see you next time with more ways to learn Arabic with baby videos.